Look at it. Isn't it sexy? I know. I think so too. My girl got me that for Father's Day gift. Had it custom made somewhere. I don't know. Looks good though. I appreciate it. Shout out to her. Alright, boys and girls, we're back. Part 2. Damn, the sun is bright. You can see the tripod on me. Look at that. Part 2. Let me readjust. Alright, a little minor adjustment there. I was saying part 2, so let's get going. Here it is. Here it is. We're back at it. Made in the USA. That's it. We have a track bar. And it's from Carli. Woo. Look at this thing. This thing is thick. Alright. We got some bushings and stuff here. Figure that out. I'm gonna pair it up with the 6-inch drop bracket. I have a 6-inch lift. My drop bracket's looking like ass right now, so I got this one. Hopefully it fits, no issues. We'll try it out. What do we got? What do we got? Sheesh. What does that look like? I don't know. Anyways, alright, we got a drop bracket here. Let's see how that goes in. Instructions, another sticker for collection. We got instructions for both. Woo! Piling up the stickers. Piling up the stickers. Alright, let's get this installed. We're over here under the truck. We're going to be replacing that piece of hunk metal right there, the track bar, and this drop bracket right here from the Tough Country lift. Look at that. This one's gonna be going in its place. It mounts a little bit different, but looks like about the same drop, so no issues with that. Alright, so I'm gonna hold it back with a 21mm and 22mm socket for the front. Let's go. It's not gonna work. Christ. Whew. Jeez. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the steering on the passenger side to make things easier for me. Now we got access right here. Alright, this size 18mm. Try it out. It's like a tab with a nut welded to it. That's it. Alright, let's measure the thickness on these real quick. I'm just curious. 35 millimeters. 38.2 millimeters. Alright, this track bar right here is adjustable from 38 and 7/8 inches to 39 and a quarter. I'm just gonna measure the stock one and just do the same measurement, really. Alright, this one's set to 39. Just wanna kind of put it right in the middle of the hole, right there ish. This one's just short of 39. I'll take this out right here and put some onion seeds in it before I install it. Do that real quick. You want a minimum of 1 inch of threads inside of here. It's not covered by warranty if you damage the threads on this. Looks like it had a little bit of onion seeds in there already. Alright. And then you're gonna grab some red Loctite. Run this nut all the way up, and then you're gonna put some Loctite in there. That's 39 right there. Then you just want to lock it down. Alright, 03 to 07. If you're doing a drop bracket, you gotta blow out that hole right there to 5/8. Alright. I went to Ace and got the last drill bit they had. 25 bucks. And this right here, this is pretty much gonna go inside that hole, and then you're gonna keep the spacer right there in between. This is crazy. Oh my god. Woo. Fat fingers. I'm gonna lose it. Alright. There we go. There we go. Alright, go ahead and tighten this one up to 35 foot-pounds. Alright, real quick, this is the setup that I used to tighten this nut right here. Alright, they said 200 foot-pounds if you have a crow's foot that fits this, but I don't, and so you can use a large pipe wrench or crescent wrench, which is what I use. So that end on the vise right there held this guy up right here with this pipe wrench, and then turned the nut with this as hard as I could. The breaking point of this is 500 foot-pounds, so I don't think anybody's able to break that, but it's tight, it's not moving. It's a crap ton of Loctite in there, so I think it's good to go. There it is, the final product. It's got a few scratches already, some battle scars on the vise. And taking it back out. Yeah, I had to take it back out. I put it in the lowest or the shortest setting of 38 and 7/8. And then I had to loosen that up right there in order to line this hole up. Then I tighten it back up. 225 foot-pounds, 210 foot-pounds, 35 foot-pounds. And if you use the stock bolt on your 3rd gen, 185 foot-pounds. Starting to look really nice down here. Alright, boys and girls, that's gonna do it for part 2. Stay tuned for part 3 as we keep rebuilding the front end of Maggie out there. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you enjoy the content, and see you on the next one. Cheers.